In the previous video, I explained the three main states an artifact goes through in the Git workflow. So basically these three states occur in the following places. So the first section is the working directory. So in this section you'll create and modify the files that ultimately you want to be adding to the repository. Now you can use your favorite editor such as Vim, which has got full support of Git, or especially configured editors such as Sublime Text or Notepad++. But BibHash, my co-instructor, has got a comprehensive Git course if you need that. So moving on to the second section of the Git workflow, and that's the staging area. So in this section, you will mark your artifacts for commit, or another way of putting it, you prepare your files to be committed to Git, or your artifacts to be committed to Git. Now the staging area is sometimes called the index. So you can see here that the file index is a file that actually gets created by Git, and it represents the index or staging area itself in Git. And the file contents contain metadata such as timestamps, file names, and things of that nature that Git uses to ultimately commit the file to Git. And the third section is the commit area. So in this section, the committed files are stored safely in the Git database. Now in the Git directory, all committed artifacts and metadata for your project are stored. And just as a summary, the three main states of the Git artifact, we've got the working directory where you initially have your files set up. They get moved into the staging area, and then finally when they're committed and completely uploaded to the repository, they go through the commit stage. And that fourth stage there I'm showing, the push, is where you optionally decide to push it to a remote server. But again, we'll be talking more about this as we work through the course.